Hello there, this is Madam Case. Welcome to my kitchen. Yes, please subscribe, like, comment. Got a lovely, easy, very tasty tuna patty recipe for you. Some people call it tuna balls, tuna patty, tuna frikkadels. So you just really don't know, but they're tasty and they're easy to make and they're full of flavor and great stuff. And just look at that. So let's crack on. I'm going to bite into this one, obviously. Yes, lovely. So starting off with my tuna, I'm just going to season it a bit. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of ground garlic and a teaspoon of fish spice, but really just use any spice that you like. And then I add a little bit of oil because tuna is so dry, to just give it that good smoothness. And then just mix it together. So add your blended onions to your tuna. You don't want it to be too smooth, so you still want a bit of chunkiness in there, but I just do that to just give my tuna patties or balls just a bit of juiciness, because it can be so dry, isn't it? So just help it out a little bit. And then just mix it together. And then I'm going to add sweet corn. So probably 3 tablespoons of sweet corn. And then I'm going to add spring onions to just give it a bit of color. Look at that. And plus flavor, obviously. Of course, always flavor. And then you add your bread. This is like 1 slice of bread that I'm just cut into chunks, like a little bit. Let's turn our tuna into balls or patties. So you want to use one of your hand for the tuna and the egg, and the other hand for the flour. That's a trick I had to learn. So take my tuna. Just do that. Make sure it's nice and firm. Then dip it into the egg. And then put in the flour. And you take your other hand. And then you roll it in the flour. Like that. Yes. So one hand for the tuna and the egg. So you just do that until you've got all your patties done. So our tuna balls are ready. As you can see, I've got perfection here. So what I'd like to do at the end is just to kind of like sprinkle a little bit of the leftover flour on top of it. It's just because it's really wet tuna balls, because it's so juicy. So you just want to make sure that you got a bit of flour on top there, just for that extra crunchiness. So you have the juicy on the inside and that extra crunch on the outside. I got my nice hot pot of oil here. It has to be really nice and hot. And you just take your tuna balls, put them in the pan. Please be careful. Nice and brown. So I have a plate there, and I've just put kitchen paper towel on it, just to drain out the oil. Just look at that. It's got spring onions, it's got sweet corn in there, onions and spice.